How to lock and unlock specific cells on Google Sheet. What is up, everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily lock or unlock specific cells, ranges, or your sheet. So the first thing you're going to have to do is head over to Google Sheet. I've got some dummy data right here. So let's say if I want to protect this range of cells to others, so that others cannot edit this, what I can do is just select the range, right click on it, and then from here, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll find View More Cell Actions, and you'll find the option to Protect Range. Click on it, and what this does is it will protect the range. You could do the same thing by heading over to Data. So tap on Data, and then from here, go to Protect Sheets and Ranges. This will pop up here. Click on Add a Sheet or Range. So what I'm going to do is select the range of data that I want to protect. Or if you want it to be some specific cells, you could do that. So just select the range. And once you've done that, you can just click on OK. And you can set permissions. So click on Set Permissions. And what it does is you can restrict who can change this range. So if you set this to only you will be able to change it. So if others have access to your sheet, then you won't have an option to do that. So they won't be able to change it. Only you will be able to make changes. But if you just want to show a warning when editing this range, you can set that as well. So click on OK. And if anyone tries to make changes here, a warning will pop up. So if you're trying to edit this part of the sheet that shouldn't be changed accidentally, edit anyway. So you can just click on OK to make changes, or if they click on cancel, changes will be canceled. You can do the same thing for sheets. So you can lock your sheets. If you add another sheet here, you could just lock any of your sheets from here. And if you want to exclude certain cells, you can select it from here as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. Now, in order to unlock your cells, all you have to do is select your range, right click on it, go to View More Cell Actions, and Protect Range. And once you get to this part of your range, you could just go ahead and click on Sheet, or you could just select everything and then go to Data, Protect Sheets and Ranges. And if you have set up the permissions, what you can do is just go ahead and click on the delete icon. So just select the range. And from here, just select the range or the sheet that you want to delete. Click on it, click on this trash can icon, and then remove it. You can do the same thing. So just do the same thing for all of this to remove all of the locks, and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.